Hi dear students, welcome back. Show me your palm again. Okay, now close your thumb because we have done A sound already. हमने A sound words कर लिए हैं ना? Now it's time to move on to the next sound which is E sound. We have 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. We have done A. Today we are going to practice E sound. Let's begin. E sound. We have ed. It's not ad. A says a. E says a. Okay? Et sound. N sound. Egg sound. Now let's begin. R, r, ed. Ed. R-E-D, red. B, e, d, bed. B-E-D, bed. Et sound. P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, pet. W says w, e, t. W-E-T, wet. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. H says hen. H-E-N, hen. Now we have egg sound which is k-e-g, keg. E-g, egg. E-G-G is egg. Let's repeat. R-E-D, red. B-E-D, bed. P-E-T, pet. W-E-T, wet. P-E-N, pen. H-E-N, hen. K-E-G, keg. E-double-G is egg. Okay, let's practice and meet more E family words. Okay, L, et, ed, N. B, E, double L. B, E, L, bell. F, E, L, fell. S, E, L, sell. T, E, L, tell. L, we have 2 times L. So we are going to stretch the sound. L. W-E-double-L is w-a-l, well. Et sound. S-a-t, set. J-a-t, jet. P-a-t, pet. M-a-t, met. N-a-t, net. Ed sound. L-a-d, led. R-a-d, red. T-a-d, ted. W-e-d, word. B-a-d, bed. N sound. M-a-n, men. P-a-n, pen. B-a-n, ben. H-a-n, hen. D-a-n, den. Then we have egg sound word. L-a-g, leg. A-g, egg. K-a-g, keg. B-a-g, beg. P-a-g, peg. So that's it for today. Now it's your time to practice these E sound words. It's very easy. I know you have learnt it. Practice. See you next time. Bye-bye.